Guys, we're out here. We're about to do the Texas explosion. Let me show you what we're about to blow up. First off, the cowboy hat. Second off, some Bluebell. Somebody got into it. Dr. Pepper. We got some barbecue sauce and a sick. Well, who's drinking my beer? Well, let's see. We're gonna blow up a Lone Star, the official beer of Texas. And last but not least, some old boots. Stay tuned. Yeah! So this is all that's left, or all that I could find after 2 pounds of tannerite with our Texas explosion. Some of my boot. But I don't know how that made it. And here's a piece of leather from it. And there's shards of hat everywhere. You guys want to know something? I drank the Lone Star.